Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you which is the best business email. Alright, let's begin. First, let's talk about Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a great product that offers an intuitive and user-friendly interface with easy integration into other Google services. It comes with a wide array of tools, including Gmail, Drive, Docs, Sheets, Slides, Meet, Calendar, Chat, Sites, and Forms. It's perfect for real-time collaboration and extensive third-party integrations with other apps. Pricing-wise, Google Workspace offers three main plans. Business Starter at $6 per user per month, Business Standard at $12 per user per month, and Business Plus at $18 per user per month. However, it has some downsides, such as limited offline functionality and less compatibility with non-Google apps and services. Google Workspace is best suited for small to large businesses, educational institutions, and organizations needing extensive collaboration tools and cloud storage. Next, let's take a look at Microsoft Outlook, part of the Microsoft 365 suite. Microsoft 365 includes a comprehensive suite of tools like Outlook, OneDrive, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, SharePoint, and Exchange. It's ideal for organizations heavily using Windows and Office applications. The interface is familiar to Windows users, but can have a learning curve for those who have not used Microsoft products. Microsoft 365 plans are priced as follows. Business Basic at $19.99 per user per year, Personal at $69.99 per user per year, and Family at almost $100 per user per year. While it's powerful, it can be expensive for small businesses and has heavier requirements for desktop apps. Microsoft 365 is best for small to large businesses and enterprises that heavily rely on Windows and Office applications. Lastly, let's talk about Neo. Neo is designed specifically for small businesses and young entrepreneurs. It offers everything you need to take your business online, including a free domain, a free website, and also various growth tools such as AI email responder, email campaigns, email tracking, appointment scheduling, and many more. Neo's pricing is incredibly competitive with three simple tiers. Starter at $199 per user per month, Standard at $399 per user per month, and Max at $799 per user per month. It offers the most features at a lower price than Google or Microsoft, and this perk makes it the perfect choice for small businesses and startups. Its simplicity and rich feature set makes it an ideal choice for small businesses and young entrepreneurs. To sum it all up, Google Workspace is best for super fast growing businesses and meeting extensive collaboration tools. Microsoft 365 is more ideal for enterprises and organizations heavily using Windows and Office applications, while Neo is the perfect choice for small businesses and startups offering an array of features at an unbeatable price. So if you're looking for the best value and simplicity, Neo is your go-to platform. So that's basically all about the best business email. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.